We have with us Dr. Bشرا Rahal Allama, head of the Kurdistan Education Accreditation Body. At the 4th Kurdistan Education Forum, welcome to the forum, Dr. Bشرا.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you for having you. Dr. Why this educational forum is different than the other educational forum globally?
Yes. So this is my first time attending the Kurdistan Education Forum in Erbil, and you know the vibes are very positive. I can see the program was well structured with a focus on quality and globalization. The panelists' discussion are very grounded in the realities of the schools in Kurdistan and across the governorates. And the beauty about this forum is that they address the challenges along with the strength of the academic and school system. One of the main differences I found in this forum is that it's actually the platform of a strategic direction by the minister and the national government. So there is a strategic reform plan for education to transform the education system, not only for schools, but also for higher education and TVET in a coordinated way. And this platform actually is the outcome of all of these coordinated efforts. And I believe what's unique about it is you can see a lot of partners for the education sector in Kurdistan. There are lots of foundations, institutes, local and international partners who are investing in education, whether it's capacity building for teachers and upskilling of their teaching methodologies, or also to revamp and modernize the curriculum. And we come at the quality assurance perspective as a new association mandated by law by the government as well.
Since your association is related to the quality assurance, what we are doing here as a Ministry of Education in this forum, this will level up our education systems to reach the standards, the international standards?
Definitely. The platform is an open dialogue. It's an eye-opener on the strength as well as the challenges, and having all key stakeholders present in one forum in a coordinated way is the way to go, and that's the starting point. And the Ministry of Education is actually spearheading the modernization of the curriculum, integrating technology in the way students learn and in the way teachers learn. And we also at the Kurdistan Accrediting Association for Education, we're partnering with the government also through pilot studies to elevate the schools from operation, management of the school, effective planning, what is safe, what's not safe for the students. Also, we want to make sure that they're utilizing resources effectively, and all of our activities to make sure that every student learn, progress and succeed, and that's what matters. So we're working hand in hand with the government.
Good, perfect. What is the next big step of your organization?
So as I told you, CAI is new. It was instated by law in 2022 that there should be a national accrediting agency, which is CAI. 2022.
Yeah.
We were operational in 2024, and we're a new startup. So we had to staff it, we had to build the standards according to international. So our standards for accreditation, they're internationally informed but grounded by the local realities. So we went through the pilot, tested these standards, and these led to revisions also and the development of pathways. As you know, we have different types of schools in Kurdistan. Some are public, others are private with national curriculum, and others are private with international curriculum. So CAI, with the Commission on K-12, developed pathways for these schools to be able to interpret, apply, and provide evidence for quality. That's what we have been doing over the past year through pilot and capacity building in various forms. We had seminars, webinars, because accreditation is new in Kurdistan, and quality as well. So we wanted to spread the word around it. The next big step, because that's your question, is we want to also to accredit those who are ready. So we were helping these institutions learn about us. We're building awareness on accreditation, what are the standards, how to implement them, and provide evidence. The next one is we want to provide accreditation reviews through independent peer review process where we bring a team to evaluate the institution's readiness. We did this already for higher education, but we want to do this as well for K-12. And the biggest step for CAI is to establish itself as an recognized accrediting agency in the quality assurance network. So we've been seeking membership. We are now members of the Council on Higher Education and Accreditation International Quality Group, and also the INCAHI, it's the International Quality Assurance as well, because we want to be a recognized accreditor in the global quality assurance network.
We are talking about the accreditation and we are talking about the quality assurance, and you have a collaboration with the Ministry of Education and also Ministry of Higher Education.
Yes.
So these kind of the assessments that you are using to find out the gaps that we have in our education systems. How was your last year's, let's say, report about the gaps that we have in the Ministry of Education or in the Higher Ministry of Education?
This is an excellent question. So let me share with you, we have two commissions, one on K-12 and commission on higher education. Each commission works closely with the Ministry of Education for schools and the other one with the Ministry of Higher Education. As I told you, we have been 1 year in operation, and each ministry allocated 11 pilot schools and 12 universities to test the standards as well as to assess the schools and universities' readiness for accreditation. By the way, the report by Dr. Lara Nabil, the Commission on K-12 Director, will be issued on our website today, which shows the strength and the challenges for the schools that we visited, and the higher education as well next month. The findings were shared with the Council of Ministers, with the Minister of Education, as well as the head of the Quality Assurance in Higher Education, because it's important to align efforts and integrate investment. And this is why we did not stop at the report level. We took the next step by meeting with all the key stakeholders in Kurdistan, like Kurdistan Foundation, SEED, Rwanga, international partners, local partners, I cannot name all of them, just to make sure, because these are key investors in education, whether it's upskilling of teachers or revamping curriculum or even financial investment to modernize the school and based on need. So we were having these conversations to use the findings of the needs assessment to align and mobilize resources where it matters and honestly where appropriate. So this is the power of partnership. We're working all together to feed into the national reform agenda of the knowledge nation by the government.
This point is the most important point, elevate the skill of the teachers and the educator. Yeah, you are right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For your time, Dr. Bishra, and also your inspiring insights that you shared with us. We hope we will meet another time.
Sure, with pleasure.
With more, let's say, jobs that you did it in this country and to
We'd love to share some of the work we're doing at CAI. As I told you, we have been 1 year operational, but we have been progressive in the way we do our work to build capacity, ensure quality and assure it, as well as build a name for the National Accreditation Agency in Kurdistan globally.
Thank you again. Thank you very
Pleasure.
much for
Thank
having
you.
you. It was my pleasure.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Take
you.
care.